Have you got something in the mail stating that if you got a device, you could be able to drive? Here's some examples that former clients have gotten. I want to let you know, this is advertising. The companies that put devices in vehicles for breathalyzers make a lot of money, and they want you to use their product. But simply calling these companies and getting their device installed does not mean you can drive. Only a judge has the authority and the ability to allow someone to drive if that person's license has been suspended because of an alcohol-related offense, such as a DUI. So if you get something in the mail like this, feel free to call us, feel free to text us, whatever you want, but just understand, this piece of paper does not allow you to drive. There's an entire process of how to actually obtain a specialized driving privilege. And specialized driving privileges, well, that's exactly how you can drive with a DUI case pending, or if you've been found guilty and there's an additional suspension on your driver's license. The ignition interlock device is it's an important part of obtaining a driver's license, but it's not the only part. You have to talk with the judge, you have to have a hearing, there has to be all sorts of things in between, proper insurance coverage. So don't just simply obtain this device for your car. They will lock you into a contract and they will not let you out of that contract. And they're hoping if you sign that contract, you'll be too embarrassed to try to litigate or get out of it by filing some sort of suit. So please, if you want to drive, give us a call. We want our clients to drive. We will do everything possible to get our clients driving because, well, we want our clients to drive. We want them to be able to go to work. We want them to be able to take care of their families and pay their bills, including attorney fees. And we understand that if you can't drive, that's going to be the biggest pain for you. So we want to get our clients to drive. There's so many other videos you can check out on specialized driving privileges that this law firm has filmed. Tons of websites, resources that we've created. So if you have any questions, give us a call, check out those resources. Most importantly, remember, always plead the fifth.